Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How we all doing today? Happy Wednesday. What up? Good morning, everyone. What's up, Tushar? What's up, Isaac? What's up, Beyond Limits? Good morning, everyone. What up? Buenos dias. Alright. We unfortunately lost a $2 account, guys, yesterday. But we managed to pass these 5. And we're like, alright, we're either going to get them funded, or we're either going to save the $2 account, or trade to 5. And man, that second trade yesterday, we traded with 10 micros on the funded. Literally stopped us out on the tick and literally ran up like 50-60 points in our favor. Crazy. The market makers were stream sniping us yesterday, guys. Unreal. But we got 5 new funded right now, so let's get it. These are brand new. Yes, sir, we beat that. Yeah, because we had to pass these accounts by Thursday, so tomorrow. So we had to like, all right, we gotta work on it, because I do not want to get rebuild. Yeah, too sharp. We lost a $2 account, man. He survived 50 trading days, man. 50 trading days, that account. Crazy. We took him to a few payouts, quite a bit. So I'm pretty happy. What's up, Gabriel? What's up, man? Yeah, Isaac, yeah. We will remember that $2 account, guys, in the memory books, man. That $2 account, oh, man, what a swing. What a swing. Guys, we took that account from $2 in drawdown to getting, like, over $2 grand in payouts after the fees. Crazy. That one account, man. That's crazy. Right now, I have a bullish bias right now. Yeah, we're just keep ripping up, slowly grinding up right now. Do we have news today? So I'll look for entry long. Hey, what's up, Joshua? How you guys doing? What up, everyone? Let me get the giveaway link. Alright, if you guys haven't entered a giveaway, hey, piss off. The hell? There we are. Right there. If you guys haven't entered a giveaway, there's the giveaway form. If you already entered, don't enter again. Do not enter again. But we'll draw the winners tomorrow, end of stream. Beyond Limits, if they use ACH, I'd rather just do ACH because it's a deposit to your bank account. But the propfirm has Wise or Rise. Most of the time it's Rise. I'll take Rise too. But if they offer ACH, I'll take the ACH. Just because it's one less step. Nice, Joshua. Good luck with that, man. Good luck on the funding, man. Sam, no rebill. No rebill. I think you just need to trade once every... There's an inactivity rule. That's other than that. It's like, I think every 30 days, if I'm not mistaken. Hey, right on, Dave. Good job, man. 2 funded Lucids. Let's go. Yeah, good luck, Joshua. You know, you got this, man. Don't be nervous. You got it. $30 is high. Usually they don't charge you a withdrawal fee for ACH. It's kind of weird. Yeah, because 10 payouts, that's $300. Well, Beyond Limits, maybe if you want to avoid that fee, maybe go to a Wise with Top Step and then transfer it to your bank from that to avoid a $30 fee. Yes, sir, Dave. We got these funded yesterday, so we got 5 brand new accounts. They're brand new. 5. What is it? What is it, guys? Automated teller machines. We have 5 automated teller machines right here. Automated teller machines. I didn't even know that's what it stands for. Champions. Yeah, I never heard of them having a fee. I don't know if they just started adding that or what. Because like other firms, I don't think they charge you a fee. $30? $30? Dude, that's a nice lunch right there. Well, you can get a sandwich and some chips. Hey guys, we gotta think of it in perspective. Like, hey, guys, you can get a lunch with that money. You can get a nice chicken sandwich. Yeah, beyond limits. Yeah, at least you're getting payouts, man, so that's a plus. Yeah. Hey, $5,000 payout, but you're like, hey, $30 fee. Take it. Take it. No, but Wise, I don't think they charge you a fee. I know Rise. Wise and Rise are different. Rise, with the R, doesn't charge me a fee. It goes straight to my Rise and then straight to my bank, like instant deposit. Alright, new 5-minute here. Yeah, $30 for what? Come on. Now y'all being greedy. Y'all being greedy. Trying to take my $30. Yeah, I like Rise. Rise is nice. And I think if you guys... I'm not sure if they send payments in crypto. They might. So, if you guys are like international... Damn, can we talk? That's a good long, man. Good job, man. Damn you, Michael will talk. Does he realize I'm a certified funded trader? Like, what's going on with him? Now he wants to charge me a $30 fee? Dude, I'm a certified funded trader, buddy. Come on. What are we doing here? We got sellers stepping in right here. Interesting. He bought them? I didn't hear that. Yeah, some prop firms like send out like joke emails. April Fools, we got him. We freaking got him. It's April Fools, guys. Do not be fooled. Tommy, good job. We have 13 25K accounts. Hey, Tommy, we're with 13 funded accounts right here. Hey, trying to get a pay. Hey, if you get a $1,000 payout, that's 13 racks. Yeah, that's why we're trying, Dave. Like, we were trying to, like, save it. We're trying to get it to pay out yesterday or blow it, basically, and we blew it. Dude, if that one trade didn't stop us out, we probably would have had that account live and pay out. Got allergy. Excuse me. Nice, 93.69. I don't know, Beyond Limits. I don't know. I'm not joining them right away. Nah. I don't know. The futures desk. So now Dude, I never heard prop firm Top Step buying a prop firm. I didn't hear that. So what happens now with them? Yeah, 600 grand payout. That stacks, man. 13 accounts. Minimum 6 grand in the bank. Trading 25k accounts. That's the leverage, you guys. So now what happens? Like, with Top Step having that new firm, like, are they just completely changing or keeping the same or what? Because I heard of the futures desk. You guys recommended it. It's like a live account prop firm. You guys say they're good. Damn, I wonder how much they bought them out for. Definitely in the millions. 100% in the millions. Hey, if you guys had a prop firm and Top Step offered you like a crap ton of money, would you? I don't know. It depends how much you're bringing in as a company. So you guys can't buy new accounts? Wanting their affiliate program. I don't know. I didn't even heard of that. Breaking news! Top Step acquires a prop firm and is changing everything. Breaking news, everybody. Not April Fools. This is not a prank. Hey, it's just a prank, bro. Thank you, David. Thank you as always, brother. Well, if they don't allow new purchases, I wonder what they're gonna do. Dude, what if Top Step bought that firm? Because I know that prop firm only uses live accounts, yeah? And then they bought him out, and then now all the new live accounts get transitioned to Top Step brokerage. Dude, he's creating like a mastermind. Put all the new traders that buy the accounts into the Top Step brokerage as the live account. Wow. Wow. Trying to cut out the competition here, guys. Unreal. Nice, Vlad. Great job, man. I'm proud of you. Third payout. Let's go. Let's frickin' go. Yeah, if you're comfortable and you're in the profit and you want to scale, I don't see why not. Because you can get the Vlad to 50k accounts. You get him, what, under $100? You know, if you feel ready and you're confident and you got payouts, yeah, why not? You want to scale it up a bit? Yeah, treat it like a business. Start slowly growing and all that. Like that. The futures desk. Announcements. Ooh. Current trading futures desk traders can continue to trade your evaluation accounts. If you earn a funded account, you will have a live TFD funded account. Just like before. Futures desk is not taking new signups or resets on existing evals anymore. We're combining everything under Top Step as we integrate the platforms. What did I say, guys? Damn, people are pissed in their chat. People don't like it. On the reactions, there's a lot of shit and clown emojis and crying. Ouch. Thumbs down. People are upset in the chat. Hey, what's up, Discipline Futures Trader? Yeah, it works with TPT, right here, the manual lockout, yeah. You probably have to update your, Tradovate, Discipline Futures Trader, or you have to download the, app version. This is the app version. I'm not sure if they have it on the web. Yeah. Yeah. I don't blame them. Well, I wonder what happened. I mean, if they're combining it to Top Step, like... Yeah, because a lot of people had, like, good reviews about them. A lot of traders are trading with them, and you guys said you guys were trading with them as well. Because they had a good program. But it's kind of sad, yeah. I was not expecting that. Bro, a lot of news on this April Fool's Day. I'll tell you what. I was not expecting that. Breaking news. Top Step has acquired the futures desk. Oh my gosh. Guys.
Pachak here, founder of Top. Hey guys, Michael Pachak here, founder of Top Step, with the founder of the Futures Desk, Josh Schwartzberg. We're super excited today to announce something very cool.
Effective immediately. Top Step's going to be acquiring the Futures Desk, and we're going to create some amazing product together.
They already have an amazing product. We said we need you to start creating some amazing products here at Top Step. We're really excited about this. The whole Top Step team.
Dude, they're literally recording in the back and
Josh,
from a yacht. The yacht is the background.
Let's do it.
Little boat.
Let's do it.
Oh, man. Yeah, people don't like it. Nah, I don't think it's April Fool's. I don't think it is. Yeah, well, damn. I don't know. Well, that sucks if you guys trade with them. Well, I don't know what happens. I literally don't know what happens. Yeah, I didn't even know that. I didn't even know the owner. I didn't even know that he was working for Bluesky either. Damn, he probably racked in, yeah, millions. I mean, Top Step's making... They're making a lot of money. I mean, they're top dog. One of the top dogs in the industry. And they've been around a while. So, they definitely bought him out for millions if they fully bought him out. I almost took a long right here, but then there was like a lot of sellers right here. So I stayed out. But then it seemed to be working. Nice, Dave. Yeah. That's good. 2 roasted chickens for dinner. Yeah, pure protein, Dave. Yeah. You lose a lot of weight doing that. 1 meal a day and only eating chicken as your dinner. Yeah, you lose a lot of weight. Yeah, because you're fasting the rest of the day, so your body's like fasting on the using your fat as fuel. Yeah, I like longs better at the moment. Too sharp, nice. No, Toss Up, they're making a lot of money. No, they're 100% making. I mean, most of the profit, I would think they're making a lot of money to stay in business. I mean, Apex, when they had that lawsuit with day traders, they had a thing where they had to say in the court that they're pulling in net, like, I think around over 10 million a month net profit. 10 million a month. And that was like over a year ago. I don't know what it is now. 10 million, guys. Dude, 10 million a month? Dude, Daryl Martin is, he's living the life, man. Yeah, I like Lucid. Lucid's been popping off. Sup, No Time? How you doing, man? Sup, Will? How's it going, brother? How's it going, guys? Glad to see you guys back on the stream. Man, I've got these damn allergies. No, Apex is making millions, yeah. Well, you would think, like, how many people are blowing accounts with Apex? They're the only prop firm with 20 accounts. And it's working for them. Like, the other prop firms can't do 20 accounts. It's kind of crazy. People are blowing them a lot, then. But they're pulling that net profit a month. 10 million. Because the evals are, like, what? $30, $40 for a 50K? And most people use 50Ks? Do you know how many people have to blow those accounts to make over 10 million profit after paying people out? Of course, the activation fees, because the activation fees are like $100 now, but not a lot of people even get to the funded account. What's up, Jasmine? How you doing? Yeah, I recommend getting maxed out at one prop firm, guys. Like, cheap prop firm all in. Lucid's great. Get funded with them, get payouts, and then if you're max funded with them, then if you want to scale, go to another prop firm. Yeah. Well, yeah, people go on because the Apex are cheap. They're like $20-$40, so it's like most people can afford $100, so they buy 5 accounts. Yeah. Yeah, and then and when you blow 20 accounts, I mean, that's $2,000 just for the activation fees. So yeah. Yeah, damn, how many people are... That's a lot of accounts. Jeez. What's up, Chris Kelly? Yeah, because when they get into funded, too, most people don't even get to a payout, unfortunately. So it's like, when they finally get to funded, you know, they pay the activation fee, you know, 5 accounts, that's $500. Yeah, over 95% of people fail, so it's kind of crazy. Like, it's kind of crazy stat, like, over 95% of people don't even get to a funded account, which is kind of crazy. And then they say, like, less than 1% actually make it to a payout, which is kind of mind-boggling if you think about. So, if people, you know, copy trading 5, 10, 20 accounts, but they never got a payout, you know, it's a lot of money. Jasmine, yeah. A lot of people have been staying cash lately. Thank you, Steve. Yeah, we got these 5 funded yesterday, yeah. Nice, Chris. Love to hear that, man. Yeah. We're kind of just slowly grinding upwards. I like longs at the moment, so I would like to wait for a long entry. But we're not getting a lot of volume right now. Compared to some of these other days we've had, guys. Okay, Trump speaks at 6 p.m. tonight. So if you guys trade Asia session or whatever, be wary. Be wary. It's a red folder, guys. Because I know some of you guys trade Asia sesh. Be cautious. Then we just have unemployment tomorrow. That's every Thursday. And then we have NFP on Friday, but there's no trading day on Friday. No trading day on Friday, guys. Yeah, that's smart, Tommy. Cam, if you request it at night, it should be approved by the morning. It's usually pretty quick. Well, I wonder what happens, because they said that they're combining products with TopStep, the futures desk. So, like, are the accounts going to be on TopStep's website, or are they going to be on the futures desk website? I don't know. Jasmine, it's a Good Friday. The markets are closed on Friday. Tulian, I don't know. I don't think so. I'm not sure. That's a good question. I don't think so. Not that I know of. Oh, we got a new 30-minute in 2 seconds. Michael Patzak. Breaking news. TopStep acquires a prop firm. How much do you think TopStep is like making like in profit a month? Obviously in the millions. But like them and Apex are like top dogs. I don't know. Probably at least 10 million, yeah. Minimum. Yeah, see, we're just slowly grinding up. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, definitely at least. Yeah, I'm guessing minimum 10 million. They're probably rocking over 20. Yeah, 15, 20 at least. And also, they've been moving traders to live. So I mean, the live traders, they don't get a whole lot, 10%. But I mean, it's pure profit for them after that point. Markets close on Friday, guys. Markets close on Friday. No trading day Friday. Might as well touch some grass that day.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a stab long. I tried to take a stab long here earlier, and I hesitated, and it backfired. I hesitated. Bruh. Don't like that break. Damn. Don't like this break. Maybe I should have got out at break even, honestly.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna get out of break even. I'm not liking it. I don't like how it broke right away and then we're instantly in drawdown, so I'm gonna pass. I'd rather get out of break even. We can always re-enter, honestly. We can even re-enter down here. Because if it comes out and stops us out, I mean, that's 20 points. That's $400 with 10 micros. Yeah, so if you guys are trading tonight, be wary. It's 6 p.m. PST. Trump is speaking. Hey, what's up, Kinko? A mill you're in short? What's up, Clarence? No, I like longs better at the moment. I just don't like how we were in drawdown right away. And, guys, you see how the trailing drawdown screws you? We were only up 60 bucks on that trade at our peak. But you see how we have $60 less to work with? $60 is nothing with 10 micros, obviously. But you know what I'm saying? The trailing drawdown. Man, I hate trailing drawdown. No, I still like longs at the moment. Like I said, I just don't like how we're in drawdown right away. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Yeah, we're 2K away from getting payouts, man. We're gonna have 5 automated teller machines, guys. 5 automated teller machines. These automated teller machines take some payouts. It's a takeaway for the daily payouts, Tommy. Yeah, daily payouts. But then, low-key, I'm probably gonna hop to other firms. Honestly. I'm also gonna... What the fuck? I'm also gonna keep these accounts alive. I'm gonna try and get payouts, obviously. But probably go to other firms. Damn. Have you guys noticed on our first trade, it tries to wick us out like crazy? Like, what's going on? What are these wicks? 5 automated teller machines. Automated teller machines. Tommy, they should be pretty quick. MMFU. Hopefully, if everything goes well, we have like a $12,400 payout after the fees with MyFundedFutures on Sunday. If everything goes well. So that'll be nice. You must wait at least 14 days to request a payout. 14 days, guys. 14 calendar days. Bro, what is this long working out, bro? Hey, thank you, AD, for tuning in, brother. Enjoy the stream, man. Yeah, you don't have work today, yeah? Rex, yeah, we're just slowly grinding choppy, but we're slowly grinding up. I still like longs. I mean, like, these were 20-point trades, so we could scalp this. Yeah, we could scalp 20-point trades. I mean, they stack. Yeah, man, we gotta get our better entry. Yeah, Tommy, I'm gonna make a payout video. Yeah, Clarence, gotta enter on the pullbacks, man. Enter on the pullbacks. Yeah. AD? No, I stream Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. PST. 9 a.m. start time. Jacob. Probably trade a little aggressive, maybe like 600-800 maybe. I'm gonna try 10 micros at the start and see how it goes. Because I noticed I did pretty well trading 1 mini 10 micros. I did pretty well. We cleared the buffer in 3 days. And I passed the accounts pretty well. The only problem is with 10 micros, if you go on a losing streak, you could blow it in like 3-4 days. Yeah, Vern, we had great memories with that account, man. We had great memories with that account. Good days, good times with that account, guys. Guys, a $2 account has finally come to an end, guys. It has finally come to an end. No. We had 50 trading days on that account. 50 survived trading days. We lost on the 51st trading day. It's all good. We had a lot of good times with that. Beyond limits. Hey guys, Casinator here. We're out here bass fishing in the lake. Dude, maybe fishing streams might be a little boring. They probably are, because sometimes you don't get a bite for like 2 hours. Sometimes you don't get a fish the whole day. Bro, we're live streaming. Hey guys, we're out here drop shotting for these bass over here. Out in this deep part of the lake. 80, yeah. It's like 2.5 hours after our market open. Yeah, 2.5 hours. New 5 minutes, 5 seconds. We're live streaming at the lake. Hey guys, today's a great day to stay cash, touch some grass. The markets have been very volatile lately. Go outside and go fishing, guys. Oh man. Guys, I still like longs. Delgado, yeah. It's just slowly grinding up. These were bigger candles, but now it's still grinding up. Yep. 81 and 40 a.m. is crazy. What country you from, man? 1:40 a.m. Oh my gosh. $1:40 a.m. Dave, what time is it for you, man? Because there's also a big time difference for you. Yeah, guys, we got people watching in other countries. It's pretty cool, so thank you guys for watching. Germany, Thailand, Poland, Germany, Canada, UK. Oh, nice, Japan. Nice. Congratulations, man. How you like Japan? Nice, Dave. 11:40 p.m. Canada. Uruguay. Nice, Rex. France. Damn. Guys, that's pretty cool. Thank you, guys. Damn. More France. Delgado, damn, man. You're on the leaderboard, though? That's an accomplishment, Delgado. Not a lot of people get there. Nice, AD. France, another France, UK. I went to France last year. It's pretty nice there. I went to Paris and then Le Puy en Velay. You guys ever heard of Le Puy en Velay? I think it's south of France, like countryside area. Yeah, I went to Paris and then Le Puy en Velay. Dubai, damn. Finland. Oh yeah, we're going to higher day right here. We might reject here though. We gotta be careful. We gotta enter on the pullbacks, guys. Finland, damn. Le Puy en Velay. The food in France was really good. It was really fresh. Italy was very good too. Paris reminds me a lot of San Francisco, honestly. Yeah, we gotta take a stab. Alright, we gotta see if it wants to reject here again or make a new high. Because we have rejected here, but I would not take a short. I still would take a long. Football, soccer, yeah. Nice, Rex. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's good if you're, like, just visiting. The wine was really fresh in France. It was really good. Because on our first night there, we got there at night to the Airbnb, and we were freaking starving, and it started raining, and we were like, oh, dude, my girlfriend and I were like, where do we go? Then we looked up, we just found an open restaurant nearby, and we walked to it in the rain. And then it was a nice, cozy restaurant with like a wood fire going on. And then I had a beef tartare. I had beef tartare with a glass of wine and some little sourdough bread. Dude, that was perfect. It was nice. Yeah, beer in France. I want to go back to Europe. Europe was very nice and fun. I liked it. Very nice there. Well, we went to Paris. We went to France and Italy. We went to Paris, Le Point-Villers. That was the only thing in France. And then we went to Rome. Rome was amazing. That was probably my favorite out of all the places, honestly. Rome was very nice. And then we also went to the... What is the island? The island in... What the heck is it called? What is it called? Frickin' Italy. Oh, I can't think of it, man. I know the name too. Venice. We went to Venice. Epstein Island is crazy. Yeah, beef tartare is nice. Paris was nice, but it reminded me a lot of San Francisco. There was no homeless or anything, but just the vibes was very like San Francisco. Yeah, Venice was like the little island area with the little boats and the canals. The gondolas. But Rome was very nice. We went to the Vatican City. We saw the Colosseum. The food there was pretty good. It was hot there too that day. Or that time we were there, so it was nice. Alright, let's see if he wants to reject here again. Or I would like an entry long. No, can we talk now? Yeah, there's no boats. I mean, there's no cars there. Yeah, no cars. So you can only walk or take like a boat. Well, we explored like almost the whole island in like one day. But Venice is not a place to stay for a week because you can get it done pretty quick in like 2 to 3 days. Like 2 days was pretty good. Took the train there. But yeah, I want to go back to Europe. That was fun. Very nice. What's up, Perp? I almost took the gondola, but then we're like, it was like 100 euros. 100 euros or something for like a little boat ride. I'm like, 100 euros? I was like, nah. Like, and my girlfriend and I were like, nah. Like, let's just go to a nice restaurant for that. So we just went to the restaurant. And then we could see the gondolas. 100 euros was a lot. It was expensive. It was like 80, 100 euros or something. You gotta slow down, Turtle Power, man, honestly. You gotta have a set budget every month, Turtle Power. Slow down, man. I know you can get through it, but you gotta have a daily loss limit, do all that. But you really gotta have a budget every month, Turtle Power. No, the food was very nice in Europe. Like, everywhere we went. In France and Italy, like, the food was very fresh. Because I think there's laws where you can't add, like, a bunch of preservatives and all that stuff. Or whatever. And, like, all this stuff that we do in America. So, the food was very, very fresh. It was, like, really good. I really liked it. The wine was freaking amazing. I don't drink that often, but the red wine was, like... I was like, damn, this shit is smacking. Alright, we just tapped a high a day. Let's see if it wants to break and keep ripping. I still like longs, but I'm not going to take a long or a short right here. Nice. 40 euros? Yeah, I would glad to take 40 euros. The gondola? Yeah. What's up, Mike? How you doing, man? Dog slide riding? Damn. Sounds kind of cool, though, but 350? It's crazy. 350? 350 euros to US is like $400, roughly, I think. Around 400. Damn. Oh, we had spritz. We had spritz. I don't think we have that here in America. Spritz. The drink, spritz. Spritz? Spritz. It's like a fancy drink. I don't know. You can get like different flavored ones. Yeah, it's like a cocktail, yeah. They had like green, orange, yellow, blue, lemon, spritz. Yeah, spritz was pretty good. Georgia? Yeah, we have another person, yeah. I heard the food is there really good. Oh, we freaking got a bunch of butter from France, and we had it vacuum sealed at the store, and then we had it in our carry-on on our way back, and then when we were at the airport, because everyone else does it too, they smuggled the butter back to America, so we smuggled our butter. It literally looked like we were like smuggling drugs, because it was like just a bunch of butter vacuum sealed in our suitcases. And the lady was like, oh, is there anything like in here that we gotta worry, blah, blah, blah. We're like, oh, no, just butter. She's like, oh, butter. Yeah, people do that. Butter. Turtle Power. Honestly, man, you need to get time off the charts, because if you're just trading full time, man, it becomes way more stressful on yourself, and you put so much more pressure on yourself, and then you also get bored at the trading chart, so you're just staring at the charts all day, which leads to more bad decisions. If you have like a job or a side hustle, it gets your mind off it, and then you can talk to people and take your mind off trading. So I think that's what you need, Turtle Power. You don't have to quit trading, but I would get like a part-time job, just to get your mind off things, man, honestly. Really, a 9 to 5, there's nothing wrong with a 9 to 5, honestly. You get a little more money coming in every month as long as you work. You get to talk to people, spend time off the charts. It's nice. Yeah, the butter, well, the butter here is just mass-produced. I don't know. The butter in France is, They had a bunch of different flavors. They had like garlic butter, basil butter. Yeah, Mill, yeah. That's why I've been fishing more, guys, spreading time off the charts, because, you know, it's not good to stare at the charts all day, really. That's why I say, like, you know, get a job, a side hustle, or a hobby, work out. You know, you shouldn't be your whole entire life focused on trading. Like, I do this full time, and I'm like, you can't just make it your whole entire life. Yeah, it's good to be obsessed with it, but there's like, you know, you gotta limit yourself. You gotta have time off the charts. I think you'll trade better, honestly. Yeah. Hey, just go to Walmart or wherever, or your local tackle shop, get a rod. Hit the lake, man. Watch videos on how to fish. I don't know, fishing's sick. Every time I'm at the lake and I catch one and like someone's like walking by, like everyone gets excited, like, oh my gosh. Dude, okay, we got a new 5-minute. It's just like playing games right here. I don't know where it wants to go. It's trying to break out and make a new high, but it's really hesitating right here. Like, no volume right here. Yeah, the volume is died down a lot. Huh. Nah. Yeah, guys. Just hit long. Just go long, guys. Go long. Order flow. Yeah, I got the order flow right here. We got more sellers kicking in right here. Well, if we do make a pullback, I would like a pullback back down to these areas. It's like 24,300 area, maybe to 24,890. Maybe. Entering long. No, I have not been to Morocco, no. Order flow, M5, order flow. Order flow. Damn, Kari. Kari, are the bold accounts, you get good payouts with them, yeah? Because I know on your last payout, Kari, you can get $7,700 per account, which is a lot of money, actually. But hey, you can bounce back from it, man, Kari. It's all good, man. Tan, I have not. That's a place I want to visit too. London, yeah. Dude, that's going to be exciting for you, man. Yeah, beyond limits, yeah. Yeah, dude, I love the 30-minute days because, like, you just get in, you're up, you're done, hit your target, you're like, I'm done, man. And some days you're just like, fuck, what am I doing here? Yeah, Kari, that's pretty good, yeah. Can we talk? I lost a $2 account, guys. I lost a $2 account. We unfortunately lost him yesterday. No, we lost them. We should make like a compilation with that account. Yeah, I should make like a compilation, like the $2 account will forever be missed. Forever in our hearts, guys. The $2 account. I can't believe it, guys. He's gone. No. The $2 account. Alright, we just keep rejecting off the highs here, guys. We got a new hour in a minute 40. Scalpinator. We might have to turn it on Scalpinator, guys. Casinator, start scalping. Scalpinator. I want to see where this new hour goes. We could see maybe a good trader still. 20, 30 point trades. But like right here, I'd probably stay cash right here. Kari, man, it's all good, man. You still got $3,600 in payouts, man. It's all good, man. You still have that account live, right, man? You still have that yeah, you still have that account, right? And you still got $3,600 in payouts. It's all good. Nice. 20 accounts would be nice. Yeah, Matthew. Yeah, if you use code casinator at the reset, it should work. Cara, you're fine, man. You're fine. You're fine. You got $1,500 left. You're good, Kari. Don't trip about it, man. You still got $3,600 in payouts off one account. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. Turtle, right now I'm trading 10 micros because it's moving slower. At the moment. But some days I'll trade you at 5. It depends on the day. And how much drawdown I have. Nice, having 5. Happy early birthday, man. 27. 27. Lucky 27. 27. Yeah, we're chopping a bit. We're just kind of bouncing right here. Volume. Where's the volume at, guys? What is this chop? Chop fest. Chop fest. Each set sold separately. Batteries not included. Must be 18 years or older to order. Nice. Yeah, I went to Iran, guys. No refunds. All sales are final. Cash, crypto, bank wire only. Zelle. Send Zelle. Doing good. How are you doing for Fort Lauderdale? Yeah, we have no freaking movement right now. Yeah, it's only like 10, 15 point candles. That's not a lot. We could trade these. These is... Okay, right here. It's making a very tight range right here. You see this? So it's either going to go either way, and I would like to see it break out of this little poppy range right now, because we're just playing ping pong right here. We're really trying to break the... Oh, there we go. Finally, guys. We finally broke the highs. There we go. There we go. Nice. There we go. Yeah, there we go, guys. Finally. You asked for volume, and Q listen, guys. He's giving us volume. There we got a lot of buyers stepping in. Beyond limits, you should be cooking, brother. You should be cooking. No, I like longs more still. I would not short at the moment. No. I need a long entry. The market makers have heard us, guys. We were complaining about how slow and choppy it was, and it was like, alright, these guys had enough. Let's send them in, guys. Send them in! Send them in! Alright, new 5-minute right here. We gotta get these automated teller machines to work. Automated teller machines. Very fascinating. There's more sellers up here, right here. At the moment. What is that called? Delta divergence? Delta divergence? But it's still ripping. Like, we have more sellers right here. But it's still ripping. Damn. Yeah. After we enter, guys, it just rips and stops us out. Unreal. Nah, these are 5 funded, Tommy. These are funded. These are the funded yesterday. Yeah. Delta's different. Like, we have a lot more sellers right here. Like, almost double. I don't know. Nice. $100 a day. Keeps the 9 to 5 away. Lefty? Oh, 100%, yeah. Everybody and their mom will be using it. Yeah, guys, we're officially a certified funded trader with five funded accounts right here, guys. We're fully max allocated. 6-figure funded trader, certified. Funded 6-figure funded trader right here, guys. You're watching live. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, we're in the big leagues now, guys. I'm a certified funded trader, 6 figures, guys. Don't get it twisted here, guys. Come on. Don't get it twisted. Come on. This is serious business right here. I'm kind of a big deal here, guys. Kind of a big deal. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I know. A lot of hard work and hours we're putting in this. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears we're putting into this, guys. Never give up. Only the top level, top 1% dogs can be here, guys. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. The funniest one is like if they buy an instant funded account and then they download the certificate. It's like, buddy, you just paid your way to be there. Come on. Come on, guys. Guys, honestly, like, even like a 1-day pass evo, like, people can, you can just full port and get lucky on one account, yeah, and then get funded. Yeah, we're just slowly grinding up right now. 350 break. We gotta break it. Continue longer. We have a new 5 minute and 25 seconds. There's still more sellers right here at the moment. But I've also been watching this, but then like sometimes the buyers coming in out of nowhere. I don't know. At the moment, there's more sellers right here. Alright, new 5 minute. Well, I'll be right back. We'll be right back. We are live. Yeah, we're doing a whole lot of nothing. Damn. See you tomorrow, AD. Go to sleep, man. It's 2 a.m. where you at. Have a good one, brother. 2 a.m. Yeah, damn. If you guys were to trade in Japan, New York, you would have to... I think New York opens around like 11, 12 p.m. 11 p.m. 11:30 p.m. Damn. Oh yeah, have a good one, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, ICT has left the chat. Hey, what's up, Cat Adventure? How you doing? Guys, we're just moving so slow. Nice, Steve. Yeah, Steve. Yeah. Well, Steve, you just started, right? You just started, so you're brand new to the futures side. Yeah, let's see how it goes, Steve. But you also been getting good payouts. Yeah, guys, we need Trump to start tweeting now. When we have him tweeting earlier in the week, we don't want him to tweet. But now on days like this, we're like, come on, Trump, come on, move. Move the markets, Trump. New 5-minute right here. Well, we finally broke out and made new highs, but it's just doing the same thing. Not a lot. Not a lot. Yeah, I still like longs at the moment. I still like longs. We're just slowly grinding up. It's moving slow, but we're just slowly grinding. Yeah, Steve, that's the end goal, yeah. And you can pay out whenever you want, your own rules. Everything's yours, Steve. Guys, we gotta keep going, yeah, keep going, yeah. Never give up. Damn. This is literally watching paint dry. Yeah. We're literally watching paint dry, guys. We literally painted a wall, and now we're just staring at it, watching it dry. What's up, Trade? How you doing? Bandit, I think you can go lower. You just need a margin like I think $100 per micro and then like $1,000 per mini on NQ. The other instruments are different, obviously, but you need more than that, obviously, to trade, because if you get near if you have just $1,000 account and you trade one mini, you're gonna get a margin call. So you need more on depending what you're trading. So yeah. Trump. What's up, J-Dub? How you doing? Champions. Yeah, they're not bad. No, they're still a good firm. Thanks for watching, man. But right now I'm mainly focusing on other firms. But they're still a good firm. They just bought out a new company. We were just talking about that earlier. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Maybe because Trump's speaking tonight. Dude, Asia Sesh gonna be popping, guys. Asia Sesh. Dude, imagine we did an Asia stream. Live. Market close. Yeah. Bro, when I went to the mall 2 days ago, it was like near nighttime. The security guard was literally sitting in the chair like this, sleeping. He was literally like passed out sleeping. I'm like, bro. We walked back 30 minutes later, he was still in the chair sleeping. I'm like, what the heck? There's still a lot of people walking around. Bro, sleeping on the job like that? Come on. Gold. Guys, we have seen this type of price action where it does this ping pong crap and then it makes a big move in either direction. We have seen that numerous times. And I think it's doing that. I'd be generally surprised if we were to stay like this choppy range for like the rest of the day. Just like that. I'd be pretty surprised. But then again, I wouldn't be surprised because it's NQ, so I don't know. Well, if we long these bottoms, I mean, we can scalp like 10 points. I mean, 10-point trades. I don't know. There's not a lot. I'm not sure it's worth the risk. But if we were in a long, then it does that big pump randomly again. Boom. To the upside. To the upside. Thanks, NQ. You're the best. Damn, we took a long right here. We took a long right there. Then we got out at break even because we were instantly in drawdown. Bruh. 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 I'm gonna call the market makers. Yeah, hello? Yeah, what's going on here, huh? What's going on, huh? We're trying to get our dopamine going. Guys, we're trying to get a hit of dopamine right now. Okay, now we broke out this bottom area. This top area. Yeah, guys, see, look, because when you're playing this ping pong range, yeah, you could play the longs right here. But they're only like 10-point trades. It's not a lot. And then your stop is probably going to be, what, 10 points? So I'm not sure it's worth the risk. That's why. Because if we enter a long right, they'll probably get stopped out. If we were risking 10 points to make 20, 30-point trades, Yeah, I would do that. Chat GPT, where should I trade? Where is it gonna go? What? Guys, we're at 8,297 subscribers. We're 3 away from 8,300 subscribers. Crazy. New 5-minute right here. Where is it gonna go, guys? I don't know. It does. See, they always gotta put, this is not financial advice. You got fixed, Kari? You got hacked? We got hacked! Send them in! Send them in! What are we doing here, NQ? I'm actually generally surprised we're moving this slow recently, honestly. Especially what we had like the last 2 weeks. I'm actually pretty surprised of how slow it's moving. J-Dub, yep. SMT smart money liquidity sweep right here. Take out the stops. Grab the momentum to the upside. False breakout. Turtle soup. Make new highs. Yep. That's the plan, guys. Okay, let's see if it wants to keep pushing lower and break this or bounce right here. Guys, this is only 10 points. Very small candle. Very small candle. What's up, Lux? Only one trade today. Break even. $5 loss. Nothing crazy. It's moving so slow. What are we doing? Guys, if you have not entered a giveaway, if you did, do not enter again. But if you have not entered a giveaway, it's the pinned comment right here. We're doing the winner drawing tomorrow. We're giving away 5 free Flex Lucid accounts. So don't be crying tomorrow when you said you haven't entered. We give you guys all week this week. So if you guys haven't entered, we're drawing the winners tomorrow. 5 free winners. We have 278 entries so far. 278. Fuck. Okay, we have the 10:30 candle in 1 minute. Oh yeah, M5. Yeah, it's going some way, guys. It's going some way. Well, we also have seen where it moves pretty slow, and then like later in the day, like power hour, it starts moving a lot. Swag. Then you can't win, man. Unfortunately, you can't win. Sorry, man. Gotta go. Out of here. Gotta go. Unreal. No, I'm just joking, Swag. You'll still get the account. If you guys can't make it a stream, it's completely fine. You'll still get the account. Because I know people got work and all that stuff. Alright. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. No problem. Ooh. Okay, let him cook. Let NQ cook, guys. NQ, come on. That was a little momentum right there. We got a little momentum right here. Okay. Alright, we're getting more volume stepping in here. Yeah, I'd like to see that. We want to see that, yeah. Okay, NQ. Alright. Okay, take it easy now. Hold on. Asking you shall receive, guys. Asking you shall receive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now we're getting some volume right here. Okay, I don't know. Okay, NQ, alright. Let him cook. Let him cook. Okay, alright. Patience pays, young one. Patience pays. Guys, I think if we keep pushing lower, it is making a lower high right here. We can see a gap down to the downside, but we gotta be cautious of these bounce areas. Okay, okay, shorts. At the moment, I don't know. This could be just a little pullback. We gotta be wary of a reversal, though. Let me check my EMA indicators right here. Ah, yes. Alright, guys, we got the 9 and 20 EMA right here. Trend was still bullish. Dude, actually, it might play along right off. I don't know. Bro, you guys remember I used to trade a 9 and 20 EMA so much? Damn. We have a new 5-minute in 40 seconds. Damn, still breaking. Woo! Woo hoo hoo. Alright, let's see this bottom area. That was painful, guys. I know a lot of you were in longs, yeah. Be cautious, guys. There's a big red candle coming in. Alright, new 5-minute here. That was a... See, guys? It was playing this ping pong crap price action. And it's going to break out either way. We got to wait for that break. Right now it's starting to break. Let's just see if it wants to continue long or like keep falling short. Honestly, it could go either way down here, really. Nice. Nice, you guys are cooking, yeah? Guys, cooking on this fine Wednesday. Damn. Yeah, that's the power of rotating, guys, yeah. One do good, one do bad. Right now, we're kind of right here chilling, right here in this middle bottom area. That's why I'm staying cash still. Cash is king. Whew. We do have more buyers right here at the moment. Keyword, at the moment. Where do you guys think we're going? Because, like, the chat, you guys are like 50-50, honestly. You guys going... You think we're going... Vote 1 if you guys think we're going up, or 2 if you're going down. Because you guys are like 50-50 right now. Honestly, yeah, it could... I think we're still long at the moment, bullish. 3 for chops. 3 for chops. Yeah, I still have a long bias at the moment. Let me go. Damn, everybody's saying long. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow. No, we are still bullish. It's just a pullback. Nothing crazy. New 5-minute right here. Dude, there's a lot of fight right here. They're just duking it out. Dude, it's like 50-50 on the buy and sell right here. Oh. Yeah, this is pretty rough. We're doing a lot of stalling right here, yeah. We're like, literally like even on the buy and sell volume right here. A little more buyers. We're having a really hard time breaking this right here, this 24,330. It's all good, Bana. It happens, man. What I don't like seeing is making lower highs right here. You see this? Here's the high day. Made a lower high right here. And look, now it's making a lower high right here. So we gotta be cautious about that. It is making lower highs. Yeah, there's more sellers down here. Dude, right here, they were just duking it out right here. It was like 50-50. Let's see if it wanted to break this 24,305, and do a bounce right here, right now. Dude, it looks like yeah, it's breaking. Whoa. Wow. Well, order flow. There's a lot of volume right here. A lot more sellers right here. Double the amount of buyers. Dude, Anthony might play this range. Buy to the high. Buy to the high. Dude, honestly, it could go either way if I'm being honest. But the trend is still bullish. But a lot more sellers were kicking in. Yeah, guys, if you don't know or you're like really hesitant, you know what's the best thing to do, guys? There's 117 people watching. You know what's the best thing to do? Stay cash. Literally. Stay cash, guys. Cash is a position. If you're uncertain or hesitant, sometimes the best thing to do is not do anything, really. Yeah, we do have a new 4-hour at 13 minutes too. This is the 4-hour. I haven't looked at the 4-hour in actually a very long time. Hey, what's up, Alex? How you doing, man? We took one trade, break even. Order flow. Order flow. Volume footprint. Order flow. Volume footprint. Order flow. Guys, maybe I'll long at this 24,305. Absolutely, Alex. Absolutely. 100%, brother. Don't want to get chopped in the slop. Chopped in the slop. Nah, damn. Wow. I don't like that. We have a new 5 minute 40 seconds. It's really trying to break down here. I don't know. I almost took a long right there. Dude, it's making lower highs. That's why I'm really cautious about a long, honestly, now. You see this? Here's the high of the day. Rejected off here. Made a new lower high right here. Made a new lower high right here. Now it's kind of making a new lower high right here. We have a new 5-minute right here. Right now, it's kind of trending down at the moment. Wow. Bro, everyone's going long. Guys, should we fade each other? Should we fade each other, guys? Hey, what's up, Rich? How you doing, man? Doing good. Should we fade each other? We're not hedging. We're just fading each other. Damn. Nice, Rich. Good job, man. Guys, the chat is like half-half right now. We have more long people, though. We have more long people. I don't know, man. One trade today, break even, only down $5. See, this is the good thing, guys, with trading and anything in life. It's good to have controversy on both sides, because if everyone was like, oh, everyone agreed on everything, it wouldn't be as good. Yeah, you guys are literally like 50-50 right now on longs and shorts. You know what? I'll make a poll. Yeah, why not? We haven't done a poll. Alright, where are we going? Where are we going? Wow. Yeah, you guys keep duking it out in the comments. You're like half-half. Wow, longs are in the lead by 62%. Really? Yeah, it's good to have different sides. Alright, new 5 minute in 5 seconds. Down is getting the lead now, 52%. The shorts are taking the lead, guys. Yeah, new 4 hour and 4 minutes. Fade the chat, fade the chat. We don't hedge, we fade. We fade. Bryn, that is true. That is true, man. That is true. Well, if we can... Look, we're staircasing down. We're making lower highs. We're breaking lows. I think I like shorts more at the moment. Right now. Because this is a big gap down. It has a better RR than longs. See how it's making lower lows right now? Staircasing down. Breaking levels down. The bears will take the donations. The bears are hungry, guys. They want those berries. They want that honey. They want that Alaskan salmon. They're hungry today. The bears are hungry. The bulls, they've been eating a lot of grass. They've been eating a lot of grass. But the bears they're starting to get greedy. They're starting to get hungry. Damn. Replogs. 55% voted down. Bro. Bro, surprisingly though, this looks like a big sell-off, but it's only 20 points. It looks a lot bigger than it is. It's only a 20-point candle. 25 now. The bears are coming out of hibernation, guys. Gotta be cautious. Yeah, let's see where this 4 hour closes. It's in a minute 30. Rex, you can have 5, 25, no, you can have 5 of the 50Ks, but you can have 3 of the 100 or 150Ks. Wow. Thank you, Stefan, for using my code, man. Good luck with that account, man. Thank you. God bless. Thank you for using my code, guys. Thank you. Alright, 30 seconds. Damn, we're just still ripping. Damn. Fuck, shouldn't have hesitated. Order flow. 10 seconds. We're in probably the bear. Probably the bear. I would think. The bulls are very aggressive, though. They have horns and shit, but the bear, I don't know. They got teeth, claws. Polar bear? Oh, no, it's over. Polar bear gonna win. Grizzly bear? Wow. Fuck. Now I kind of want to FOMO. Yeah, I hesitated on the shorts. Damn. Well, good thing I didn't take a long right here. I almost took a long right there. Banana, small winning trades, base hits, trailing your winners when you're in a winning trade. It's harder to trade, but you can definitely get around it. These are trailing drawdown right here. We just started them. My gosh. We just jump in. No, guys, it's called FOMO. We don't FOMO. Guys, there's FOMO, and then there's phobia. Fear of being included. Fear of being included. I mean, we're breaking even on days, so we basically haven't took a trade. We only took one trade, a $5 loss. Dude, it's just ripping. It's just ripping. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, we were complaining a lot about the volume, and now we're getting the volume that we're wanting to get. So, hey, there's the volume, guys. Ask and you shall receive. Yeah, well, I mean, we could keep... I mean, this is a big gap to the downside, honestly. This is a big gap. And it's still going. My gosh. FOMO, Mo. FOMO, Mo. Mo, FOMO, Mo. This is a 70... This is a 50-point candle, so, okay, the volume is definitely picking up a lot. Low-key gotta size down if I gotta trade. 7 micros. Bears are hungry. The bears are hungry. What did I say, guys? I said it's playing this ping pong crap price action, and then when we seen that, it's either going to break out in either direction for a big move. And look, now we're coming back down. Nice, Turtle Power. 350Ks, man. Turtle Power, you can do a lot of... You can get some nice payouts with that, man. Just be disciplined and lock in. Follow your rules. You got this, man. Alright, new 5 minute. Hesitation kills. We have a lot of buyers just stepped in right there. What the heck? No stop loss trade. Feeling a little frisky there, huh, Kari? No stop loss? All in. All in. Wow, guys. Wow. Rex, I think you should be able to trade it on there. I use the Tradovate option. I trade on Tradovate. I'm not sure how the trading view one works. Vlad, no, I hesitated, man. I hesitated. Nice aspiring trader. Yeah, some nice shorts right there for you guys. Still have 60% voted down. 60%.
Order filled.
Take a stab short. If we still continue short, there's a big gap to the downside. There's a big gap. If it still continues, I'm worried that we might be overextended because we did have like over 100-point sell-off. Hedging, it means where you're going long and short at the same time, or you're like colluding with other traders. You're telling them like, hey, I go long, you go short. So it's like one's bound to win. It's also like you can't short on ES and then long on NQ. You can't do that. It's kind of like that. Kari, we'll see, man. We'll see. It's kind of a dog shit entry, damn. How come the one time I FOMO in is like a dog shit entry? Damn, we were patient all stream and then I took a dog shit entry. Yeah, can we talk? I got like $2 grand in payouts after the fees. From being $2 from being liquidated. Lifetime payouts with that account, I think we got like $3,600, I think, from that one account, I think. After the fees. Guys, when I was patient and then I just FOMO'd in. Come on. Come on, Case. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Been there, done that. Guys, it could still work out. Could still work out. Dog shit entry. Not my proudest entry, guys. Not my proudest. See a reject. And if it continues short still, I don't know. Guys, sometimes the most forbidden fruit is the sweetest. Remember that, guys. Sometimes the most forbidden fruit is the sweetest. All good, man. It happens, man. It happens. Alright, we need a break now. We need a break now. Drop, 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 drop. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'll get out at a very small loss. That was the shittiest entry I've gotten in a while. I kind of FOMO'd in right there. Yeah. Yeah, that was a bad entry. Better entry would be right here. This 24.45. This is a good entry. So, we're only down 60 bucks on that trade. So, I'd rather just re-enter, honestly. That was a horrible trade. Horrible trade. No, I'm not liking the trade. I didn't like my entry, man. That was a really bad entry, and I'm like, $60, that's nothing. Yeah, that was a dog shit entry. I didn't like it. Even if it rips, I don't care. We could always re-enter. That was a horrible entry I got in there. Because we could do a better re-entry at this 24.45 area, and that's like 20 points. Guys, watch it drop like 100 points as soon as I get out. Yeah, I wasn't feeling it anymore. That's why I got out. I mean, guys, it's okay to get out a small loss or small win, break even. You can always re-enter. If you're not feeling it anymore. Guys. Guys. Guys, watch it drop 100 points, guys. Well, we're only down $65. That's literally nothing. That's literally nothing. Bro. Diamond hands, diamond hands. Hold the line, hold the line. Wow. Oh, wow. 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 No, it keeps ripping, man. This is a big gap down. I just need to work on my entry. That was a horrible entry. Yeah, yeah. Guys, our entry is right here. Instantly in drawdown the whole time. It came back to break even, and then I was like, it's gotta break. And then it just kept bouncing right here, and I was like, I just get out. Oh, man. Well, yeah, as soon as we entered that trade, we were instantly in drawdown, almost stopped out. Yeah, we chicken out on the taco right there. Wow. Unreal. Still like shorts. Just gotta wait for a better entry, guys. Just gotta wait for a better entry. No, I'm not FOMOing in right now. Guys, we're right on a lot of our ideas. Just the execution is not the best. Not the best. My gosh, guys. We'd be up 35 points. I'll definitely have trimmed some. 100%. ES is going down. Oh, yeah, damn, ES is ripping down. Woo! Yep. Beyond limits. Guys, we took a long right here, got out at break even. I didn't like it, then ran up. We took a short right here, got out at a small loss. We were instantly in drawdown. Bad executions today. Right idea is just bad executions. Wow. Wow. Okay, new 5 minute. Yeah, because you're like, damn, I could have been up like 500-600. But it's all good. Whatever. Whatever, can't dwell on it. Peace out, Bandit. Have a good one, man. RB trades, that was not a perfect entry on that last trade, no. We were instantly in drawdown, almost stopped out. That's why I got out at a small loss when it came back down. A perfect entry right there, this 24.45. That's a perfect entry. Oh yeah, you'd be cooking right now. Yeah, you had that lockout, yeah. Yeah, we do have no trading day on Friday, guys, so tomorrow will be the last trading day of the week. Guys, pain, pain, pain. Well, because I almost got stopped out, and then that would have been a 30-point swing in the wrong direction. That's why I got out a small loss. And I wasn't feeling it anymore, so that's why I got out. If I'm not feeling a trade anymore, I just get out. Because that's an extra 30 points to work with. That's a lot. No, market's closed on Friday, guys. It's closed on Friday. It's Good Friday. Nice, Alex. Let's freaking go, man. 5 funded. Let's go. You got 5 automated teller machines. Yep, Good Friday. ES is still going down. Yeah. Yeah. You gotta get the ATMs back, guys. The ATMs, oh man, when they're at the buffer, it's nice. It's nice. It's hard getting there, guys, but once it's there, it's nice. Yeah, the rapid accounts are, yeah, they're actually better than the Take Profit Trader. Because you can pass in 2 days, and you get an extra 10%, which is actually, an extra 10% is kind of a lot, actually. Yeah, we are down 65 on the count, guys. That's nothing. That's literally nothing. That's literally nothing. It is almost 11:30, though. It's getting a little late. If I see another trade, I'll take it, but we'll see. Yeah, it's just a trailing drawdown. Scott, oh my gosh, wow. Jeez. Guys, what I said, watch us, I literally said when we got out, I said watch us get out and then it run 100 points in our favor. Damn. Yeah, I'm still trading. I mean, we're only down 65 bucks. That's literally, it's literally break even. We can push lower. Yeah, 130. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes I can't read the chat, guys, when I'm in a trade. Sometimes. What's up, Robert? No, but I normally wouldn't. If I get in on there, I wasn't streaming, I would probably literally do the same thing, honestly, because it almost stopped me out, and I wasn't feeling it, so that's why I got out. I would have done the same thing off stream, honestly. Small loss, because I'm not feeling it anymore. It just sucks. It's working out now. Yeah. Nice, M5. Slow and steady wins the race, man. Slow and steady. Oh, fuck. Yeah, market's up 1% still. That is something to note. Yes. What's up, Javier? How you doing, brother? We do have a new 30-minute in 2 minutes. Guys, we're doing the giveaway tomorrow. There's 110 people watching. The pinned comment right here. If you guys have not entered the giveaway, enter it. We're doing the drawings tomorrow, so don't be crying tomorrow when you can't enter. Do it now. Get it over with. We'll pick the winners end of stream tomorrow. 5 Lucid free 50k flex accounts. Everyone been liking Lucid, so we're doing a giveaway with them. My gosh. Thank you, Javier. God bless you, man. Good luck with those accounts. Thank you. Lucid Flex. Flex them out. Our new 30-minute in 30 seconds. Boom. Kaboom. Dude, I'm locked in right now. This market's pissing me off. I still like shorts. We gotta be cautious of a reversal, but still. My gosh. Okay. This is kind of like the similar situation right here, guys. I entered a short right here. I would be entering right here, yeah? A better entry be probably around here. 24,180. Maybe. I want to see how it reacts. Same situation. Try and get my lick back. Damn market makers. Guys, when in doubt, blame the market makers. The 200 EMA. No, we still have not became bullish. I think we're still bearish. Yeah, I still like shorts. I just don't want to FOMO in. Then do that crap again. Wow. Now do we FOMO in? Dude, this price action is pissing me off. I keep hesitating. It's not the market's fault, it's my fault. I keep hesitating. Nice, traders for life. Got some money back, good. Yeah, that is true, no time, yeah. That is true. No mo, FOMO for mo, for show. My gosh. Hesitation kills. Yeah, we had quite a reversal. Quite a reversal today, guys. Quite a reversal. ES is starting to rip more. Oh my god. Guys, we were complaining about the volume, and then the market makers heard us, and now they're giving us the volume.
Order filled.
Try short. I keep hesitating too much. And then it just keeps ripping lower and lower. This will probably be our last trade of the day, guys. Yeah. Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, this is our third trade. First trade break even, only down $5. Next trade down like $60. So that's why I'm taking a third trade. We're basically break even. We're only down 70 on the day. But man, what's going on right here? Death by 1,000 cuts is painful, yeah. Oh man, that's the worst. Bro.
Stop filled.
Oh no, I'm done. No, that is tilting, bro. That is freaking tilting. That is freaking tilting. No, I'm done. No. Fuck that. Fuck that. My gosh. Whatever. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, guys. Yeah. Nah. They're just playing with me right now. My gosh, what is this? What is this green candle coming in? Well, shit. And it's gone, guys. And it's gone. Nah, yeah, I'm done. Fuck that. Nah. Excuse my language, but damn. We took a long right here. Got out at a break even, then ran up, whatever. took a short right here. Instantly in drawdown, almost stopped us out. Playing ping pong right here. I got out at a small loss. Then it runs 100 points. Oh, no. This trade... Oh, my... No, we're done. No. Oh, no. No, no, no. We're done. We're done. What the heck? Alright, guys. This is a later stream than usual. It's almost 3 hours. 2 hours and 40 minutes. Damn. What the fuck? Anyway, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. We're done trading. We're going to be done trading these accounts. First day. Not too bad. We can definitely make that back, honestly. 380. We can definitely make that back. My gosh. Look at this reversal coming in. Yeah. Alright, guys. Peace out. Make sure to enter the giveaway. I have a video posted on my page, or to use the link to fill it out. We'll pick the giveaway winners tomorrow, end of stream. So make sure to enter that. And yeah. So yeah, we're done. Yeah, we're done. We're going to call it a day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. And peace out, everyone. Have a God bless day.